Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Aisha from Bags of Style. In today's video we have an unboxing. Anyway guys, if you're new to my channel, what are you waiting on? Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe. Come join the family. We talk about everything bag related, from contemporary all the way to luxury. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. And let's get into this unboxing. Okay guys, so as I stated, we have an unboxing, so I'm gonna start opening and then we'll get into the story time. So this is actually a virtual unboxing. This item just came actually today, so we are looking at it for the first time together. Okay. I am so excited about this item. So just a quick backstory. This is a wish list item from like 2023 when I did my wish list item. So okay, oh my goodness, it came with the box. Okay, all right, let's move the big box out the way. Let me turn it the correct way. I'm sorry for the shaking, guys. So as you guys can see, it's a Chanel item. Oh my god, this is wrapped so good. I don't know if you guys can hear my excitement. Like, I'm so excited about this. So 3, 2, 1. As you guys can see. Alrighty, so let's get into this. Okay, so this is the information right here. It has the card right here. It has the, I guess, is this the duster or something? Or I don't know what this is. But this is cute though. It has like in a bag or whatever. So it looks like it has like all the documentation that I need. The book and everything. Okay. Okay. Oh my goodness, it literally came up like everything. The full set. Okay guys. 3, 2, 1. Did you guys see? Yes guys. This is the beauty right here that I picked up. Oh my god, so this is the Chanel 19. And this is the small medium size, as you can see, in this beautiful green color. And it has the stuffing in there. The chain is wrapped. Oh my god, everything looks so good. So I did pick this up. I actually picked this up pre-loved, but I didn't pick it up from Fashion File or anything like that. So I actually picked this up from I think it's her Instagram account is Rouge Street. I'll put her account information on the screen right now. So the crazy part is that, quick story time while this beauty sit right here, I actually got her information from Hello City Catwalk, her channel, because she had actually purchased one of her Chanel, I think it's the Chanel Jumbo. She had purchased it from the same seller, and she had listed her Instagram information in her description, which I would do the same as well, because I'm telling you, it was such a smooth transaction. She's very professional. She's very on point. I would definitely recommend her. Anyway, so I went and started following her, and this item came in for such an incredible price, guys. Like, way more than 50% off. Okay, so I was so excited to see this, and then I've been wanting to add a green bag to my collection because I don't have a green bag in the luxury space in my collection. So when this came up on her feed, I sent her a message right away. I was like, is this still available? She said yes. We chat back and forth. I asked for pictures. She sent it. She was very detailed, like I stated. Like, she's very professional. If you guys are looking for anything, and she also sourced bags for people, so if you are looking for a specific bag, she can probably source it for you. So anyway, I sent all the info. I asked her for all the information, and she had just posted it. So it was like, I was like, is this still available? She said yes, it's available. So I was like, please let me know, can I get the pictures, can I see what the condition is? Everything she sent right away, and it was just such a great communication piece, right? So anyway, so I end up getting this bag, and it literally has everything, like even the zipper. Oh my god, guys, look, the zipper still got the, can you guys see it? It still got the plastic on it. That's so crazy. Oh my goodness. And then it comes with, it does have the card and everything. See, the authentication card from Chanel, and it has like all of the documents, as you can see on there. So this literally is a full set. Honestly, I didn't even know it was going to come with the box. I didn't know it was going to be like literally like a full set with the wrapping paper, the booklet, the dust bag, everything. I did not know it was going to come with that. So this is definitely a great surprise, and I love the fact that she wrapped the chain, like, just so it doesn't destroy the bag, and she put some more wrapping papers in there. But let's kind of take a look around the bag real quick. And I know you guys have seen a lot of Chanel 19 unboxings, so this is not new. I was just excited to get this color, and then also I was looking for this bag, but I didn't want it in the lambskin. I actually wanted it in the goat skin, because the goat skin is more durable, and obviously I have to buy an organizer for this bag because, as you can see, it can turn into a beautiful mess and it can have like the little slouchiness. It's very pliable, like it's very soft, so you literally can like just like squish it up and stuff like that, which I'm not planning on doing that. And I'm going to also get an organizer to protect it. But so I wanted the goat skin instead of the lamb skin, because the lamb skin is so easy for it to scratch. So I was in the hunt for this bag. Like I stated, this was like in my 2023 wish list, or yeah, 2023 wish list. And I was like, oh my god. So like I stated, as soon as I saw her post it, I was like, this is it right here. This is the bag. So this is the small / medium. And it's so crazy that Chanel is literally about to have another price increase on the 27th. So this is about to go over $7,000 now for the Chanel 19. Ridiculous. Okay, so anyway, so I just, oh my god, I'm excited. I am excited. And like I stated, I'm gonna put all her information in the system, so you guys can definitely reach out to her if there's anything that you are looking for. She sources all type of bags. She does focus on like Chanel, Hermes. I've seen her post about like Celine, like, but she can source any bag that you're interested in. So I am super excited. And the fact that Hello City catwalk like literally promoted her, I'm like, okay, let me give her a chance. I am going to also get this authenticated with a third party, obviously, because I want to make sure everything is good. I always try to have that, just kind of like a peace of mind for myself. But it does have everything. Like I stated, it's a full set bag, and I am just in love with this. Like, the goat skin is so shiny in person. I am so happy I waited. There's been so many times that I wanted to pull the trigger on this bag when I saw it on like Fashion File or like Rebag early days and stuff, but I was like, I don't know, like the colors did not speak to me. I wasn't excited about it until I saw this one, and the fact that I was in the market for a green bag, and this is such a beautiful vibrant green. I'm in love. Oh my god, I don't know what else to say, but this, oh my god, I cannot wait. Like, this is such a beautiful addition to the family, and I can now cross Chanel 19 off my wish list from 2023. So anyway, guys, this was the video for today. I just wanted to do this quick unboxing just to introduce the newest member of the Bags of Style family. Anyway, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.